I'm Ben.
And I'm John.
And together we're OCB.
Reactions.
And today we have Maylene and the Sons of Disaster.
Okay.
Something Dry River. I'm getting. Okay, Dry the River, the official video.
Okay. This looks like an old scene from like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre or something.
Like Ned Beatty getting butt raped kind of thing. Deliverance, yeah.
Yeah.
Not to be confused with the Christian metal band of the 80s.
Yeah. Actually, I'm not sure. I think they might still be around.
They are. They're not really making anything of note now, but they're still, I don't know, losing money.
But hey, before we go on, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share. Go down into the description. I'll have a link to this video. Now, I'm absolutely not familiar with this
I'm completely
band.
clueless. I don't remember where it was suggested that would give me a frame of reference. So, because usually, we get oh, you watch this. It's
Right.
So we have a frame of reference. It's this kind of stuff. I got no idea. My personal thought, it's probably alternative rock, maybe.
I have no clue. I'm not even going to guess.
I mean, I just see looks like dirty young white men trapped in the woods kind of thing. I'm assuming it's not rap, but who knows?
Yeah, there's no telling. Well, let's just go ahead and get into it and see what's going to happen here.
Well, look at him, Terry. They look so big and bad. They look so scary. You're fixing to tell me where your brothers run off to.
Oh, they're long gone.
Oh, they're long gone?
Yep.
We're gonna kill you. We're gonna find your brothers, and we're gonna kill them too. And we're all gonna wind up in the same place. Long gone, huh? Dallas Run!
So my life, looking for my eyes. I kiss the dark.
Whoops.
Well, once again, it caught us well enough that we didn't even stop anytime in the video.
Yeah.
Just some good old like acid rock.
It's like Southern sludge rock
Yeah,
with some pop rock sensibility for the chorus.
kind of like what's the one band that their videos are funny as shit. I can't think of the name right now, but I know you like them too. But yeah, I actually liked it.
Yeah.
Just some.
It's just down and dirty, grungy rock. It's like it's not grunge, but yeah, it's got a clutch feel, kind of like a little more aggressive. It's like more aggressive rock, but it's Southern sludge rock. It's the one I call it anyway.
Yeah, it's acid rock. I mean, and the video was actually pretty cool too. I mean,
I got a bigger kick out of the bad acting than I did with the actual story, but
yeah,
and I know they're never using any of those instruments again.
Yeah, man. Yeah, they were probably junk instruments, anyways. You know, if you're ever a band that's shooting music videos, it's always good just to have a set of junk instruments. That it doesn't matter if they get nicked, scratched, or completely fried
Or wet.
Yeah.
But no, I really, really liked that. I was like, that kind of took me by surprise.
Actually, today's the whole shoot that we've done, the whole block of videos, it's been an interesting.
It has. I mean, plus the fact we're both happy to be back.
Yes.
We're glad to be able to do this again.
I think some people will probably be like, "The hell's wrong with these two?" when we do our intro, because we're all like chipper.
Yeah, I was like, I guess the next one I can be a little more, down.
You got to turn into like a Oscar the Grouch type,
or think of a different name to call myself. Like, I don't know. All I know is right now I'm really bloated and have gas really bad, and I don't want to kill you. So,
I think I'll go home now. No, thanks for suggesting this. I really got into it. I am going to check out more from these guys. I just like their groove.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's got that nice groove. Yeah, it's just fun.
Yeah. That's all I got, because I'm just going to sit here and talk about how cool it was.
Yeah, I think so. Fairly well.
Thank you.